Hey, my name's Tori. I'm a client advisor here at BMW of Schererville. Today, we're going to be showing you how to take apart the new and the old BMW key fobs. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start out with the old generation key fob. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do to replace the battery in this key, we're going to go ahead and take out the physical key. So go ahead and push this button inwards. Pull out that physical key. We can go ahead and put that to the side. We're not going to need that for now. Next step, you're going to go ahead and have to push this little tool back here. You're going to pull it back towards yourself, pop that out, and then it'll just go ahead and slide right out. Now for this next portion, you are going to need a little screwdriver. You're going to go ahead and have to pop this actual battery out here. Alright, and now that we have our actual pry tool here as well, all you're going to want to do is go ahead and stick it in right at the top there. Just go ahead and pop out that battery. Go ahead and catch that. Okay, so now that we actually have the battery out and are ready to put the new one in, it's a very simple step from here. We're just going to go ahead and slide it towards the top of the key. You're going to go ahead and push it in. You're going to hear a solid click. Now the next step of the process is you're going to go ahead and put this key cover back on. Now you're just going to slide it into the bottom there. Same thing, you'll hear it click. And then the last thing you're going to have to do is just go ahead and slide that physical key back in. And there you are. Alright, so now that we went ahead and replaced the battery in this key fob here, we're going to go ahead and move on to the new ones. So this is going to be for the new 5 Series, the new X5s, X6s, and X7s, some other vehicles as well. So without further ado, let's get to the next one. Alright, so now that we're going to go ahead and finish up with the first one, we'll go ahead and move on to the second here. First thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is turn that key over, find that button on the back just like on the other one, go ahead and push that inwards. Now this one's going to go ahead and allow you to slide off that metal casing here, so we're just going to go ahead and pull it off. You're going to twist that key back over. You're going to want to see this physical key in the front side here. So you're going to go ahead and slide this physical key out of here. So we'll go ahead and grab that, take that key on out of there. And then you're going to see this little portion that you have right over here. You're just going to go ahead and push your key in there and then go ahead and pull it up from there on out. Now when you pull it up, be careful. If you pull it up too quickly, the battery will go ahead and fly out. But you'll see that we have it here. You're going to go ahead and take your new battery. Just going to go ahead and place it right back into this little slot here. Once you have it on there and make it easier to see for you, you're just going to take your key fob back up. You'll see you're going to have an empty little slot right here. You'll just push that right back into the slot there. Hear a little click. Go ahead and put that physical key back on there as well. Slides right on there. Back into position. Take your metal piece, slide that back on as well, and you are all set. Alright, thank you so much for joining us today. If you have any questions, you know where to find us for both the old and the new key fobs. My name's Tori once again. Find us at BMW Schererville. We'd be more than happy to help.